I think for me, I will not add too much about the organization as you did all, all the work. So basically, Educators Without Border International is an independent international organization, has no affiliations, and we duly registered and headquartered in Geneva as an NGO. We have our operation office in Abu Dhabi, and we work together with academic and charitable organization to improve the equality of education, integration of technology education. We train school staff and modern trends, modern trends in classes management. We also provide psychological support to students in areas of crisis and disasters. We promote equality and integration in education. We support the underprivileged areas and people by providing educational programs for students and school staff. We also provide programs for families to increase their income and improve their financial sustenance. So thank you.